Hello, my name is Jose Paniagua, and I work in the Signal Integrity Development Lab in Nashua, New Hampshire. And I'm here to introduce our Mini Coolidge I/O product, which is fully compliant with the PCI Gen 5, PCI 6 standards, and is fully upgradable to PCI Gen 6. And if you look to show that this is a live demo, I can insert errors to show that it's actual live traffic running through the part. And we're running through a key site bit error rate tester that's fully compliant to the PCI 6 standards to drive the signals and show the full compliance of the product. Thank you for joining me for this quick demonstration.